Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel called Everyday Manufacturing. So today I brought a lecture on a topic called how to set up a medical device factory or how to set up a particular plant which deals into the manufacturing of a medical device product or the IFD products. So my friends, what happened? हम में से कितने लोग यहाँ पे जो वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल है जो ये बिलोंग करते हैं, आई मीन हु कम्स फ्रॉम दी मेडिकल डिवाइस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी, दे आर नॉट अवेयर, आई मीन उनका कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं कि कैसे फैक्ट्री को स्टैब्लिश की जाती है. बिकॉज मोस्टली इधर दे डोंट हैव एन इंटरेस्ट ऑन दैट पार्ट और दे जस्ट कैम एंड दे गो अवे, राइट. बट हमें से ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं जिनको काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट है ये जानने के लिए, आई मीन दे वॉन्ट टू फ्लरिश देयर नॉलेज. सो उन्हीं को देखते हुए, आई मीन मेरे ऐसे कुछ सब्सक्राइबर थे जिन्होंने मुझे अप्रोच किया टू मेक दिस वीडियो. सो माई फ्रेंड्स, देर आर टोटल 13 स्टेप्स. किसी भी फैक्ट्री को स्टैब्लिश करने के लिए हम 13 स्टेप्स को फॉलो करते हैं, राइट. और ये 13 स्टेप्स को फॉलो करते हुए मैंने अपने पास्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में और या पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने 3 ग्रीनफील्ड प्रोजेक्ट को सेटअप किए हुए हैं, राइट. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज द कंसेंट टू स्टैब्लिशमेंट. सो क्या होता है दोस्तों, कोई भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी वो पहले कंसेंट लेती है फ्रॉम द पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड, लाइक द स्टेट पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड. सो दे टेक द कंसेंट बिफोर डिस्चार्जिंग, storing, handling, transporting or emitting a substance like hazardous gases, wastewater or noises which harms or pollute the environment. So what happen in the consent establishment, कोई भी जो business है या कोई भी जो new startup है, they will take the permission from the local pollution control board, I mean the state pollution control board, in lieu of Water Act of 1974 and Air Act of 1981. So जो डॉक्यूमेंट जो हमें लगते हैं फॉर गेटिंग द सिटी इज बेसिकली द साइट मैप, डिटेल डिजाइनिंग ऑफ योर फैक्ट्री, हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ वेस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू जनरेट, राइट, what would be the provision in a factory by which the wastewater can be converted into a good water, correct, the NOC from the Industrial Directorate, the chemical reactions at all involving the mass balance and the local organization NOC. Apart from all this checklist, you also need to claim, you need to give the amount of the proposed capital investment in terms of machinery, in terms of manpower, in terms of material, where you are going to set up a factory, right? So these are the documents. So once you get the consent to establishment, the manufacturer move into the second phase. Now in the second phase, what happen? They will call a different architect who are specialized in making the medical device factory. So manufacturer, they will do the vendor evaluation for those architects and they will bring on board. Let's assume कि मेरी जो फैक्ट्री है वो स्टैब्लिश हो गई है, आई मीन मेरी फैक्ट्री स्टैब्लिश हो गई, राइट. फॉर एग्जांपल मेरी जो स्टोर्स हैं, जो प्रोडक्शन है, जो R&D, सारे रूम्स बन चुके हैं. लेट्स से कंप्लीट न्यू रूम, राइट. अब क्या होगा, जो मेरा मैन्युफैक्चरर है पैरेलली क्या करेगा, मेरे इक्विपमेंट्स ऑर्डर को प्लेस करना शुरू करेगा, सो दैट एवरीथिंग इज इन प्लेस, इधर इन टर्म्स ऑफ द इक्विपमेंट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ मटेरियल, आई मीन ऑल द रिसोर्सेज. आप अज्यूम कीजिए कि आपकी फैक्ट्री बन गई. अब आपको क्या करना है, अब आपको फैक्ट्री स्टार्ट नहीं करना है, राइट. अब जो 4th स्टेप है उसमें आपको क्या करना है, आपकी जो फैक्ट्री है, अब उस फैक्ट्री अगर बने तो उस फैक्ट्री का नक्शा भी होगा, कोई लेआउट भी होगा, राइट, बिल्डिंग प्लान्स होगा. तो वो जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, इधर द लेआउट और द प्लान्स, वॉट एवर, नाउ यू नीड टू टेक ऑल दोज डॉक्यूमेंट एंड मूव फॉर द फैक्ट्री रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेसेस. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, द मैन्युफैक्चरर ओनर और द फैक्ट्री ओनर्स need to register their premises with the local authority as per the Factory Act 1948, right? Why they need to submit? Because they need to get the approval before carrying out the manufacturing activities, right? Let's say कि मेरा factory registration मुझे government से मिल गया है, right? Now in the 5th step, I need to go with the getting the occupancy certificate. What is this occupancy certificate? It referred to a document that certified that a building adheres to the national building codes and it's suitable for the occupancy, right? So this is called the occupancy certificate. Now I got the occupancy certificate in the 5th step. Now in the 6th step, I need to apply for the electrical load sanctioning. Like how much amount of the electricity power do I require in order to run my manufacturing company. So I need to give a brief detail of the working, like how much equipment or each equipment, how much amount of power they are going to get consumed, how much amount of power my DJ sets is going to consume. I mean all those stuffs, right? Let's say I got the electrical sanction, assume it for time being. Now what I need to do, the moment I get the factory registration, occupancy electrical, now I need to apply for the labor certification. See how we have done. We got the approval to set up the factory. Then what we have done, we have placed the order of the equipments. Then again what we have done, we have applied our factory for the registration, followed by the occupancy certificate, then the electricity load sanction. Now I need to apply for the labor certification. Now because I got all the clearance, now my manpower is only going to work in the manufacturing, right? My employees, right? Either the direct contract workmen or the non-direct contract workmen, correct? So now I need to apply for the labor certification with the local boards, local state authority. The moment I get the labor certificate, now I also need to apply for the fire NOC, right? What is this fire NOC? Fire NOC is basically a no objection certificate regarding fire safety equipment which have been installed in our building as per the national building codes. I mean, those gadgets or those safety equipments are working fine in terms of the national building codes. So what will happen? My factory, the local officers, they will come and visit your factory and they will see whether the fire installation gadgets have been done properly as per the requirements or not. Correct? After completing all these 9 steps, now in the 10th step, what I need to do, I need to go with the consent to operate. Before starting my manufacturing facility, I need to take the approval again from the State Pollution Control Board that yes, now I am starting my factory as per the document submitted in the city, right? Let's say government has given the approval, the state authority. After getting the approval, are you going to start your factory? Tell me yes or no. I think most of you people are telling yes. No, it's not like that. Now we need to set up your QMS, Quality Management System, as per the ISO 13485, which speaks about the QMS requirement for the medical device. So you build your QMS process, right? Parallelly, you need to figure out the party or the body by which you will be applying for the ISO 13485 certification. So now you need to go with the ISO 13485 certification in 13 steps, for which I have already made a video, so you can check in my link mentioned in the description box. So these were the 13 steps right from scratch कि कैसे फैक्ट्री को सेटअप की जाती है. I hope you guys must have enjoyed my today lecture. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share in your network. Take care. Bye bye.